Ever wondered how to get a grip on those tricky company expenses, especially for online subscriptions or one-off purchases? You know, the kind of spending that can spiral if not managed correctly? We're talking about everything from software licenses to advertising campaigns, or even those unexpected travel costs. If you're looking for a way to give your team purchasing power while keeping a tight leash on the budget, then you've likely come across the concept of virtual cards. And that brings us to the big question: does Expensify, a leading name in expense management, actually offer virtual cards? For businesses of all sizes, the idea of virtual cards is incredibly appealing. Imagine being able to issue a unique card number for each vendor, project, or employee, complete with preset spending limits. This isn't just about convenience, it's a game changer for security and control. No more worrying about a single corporate card being compromised or a runaway subscription eating into your profits. Virtual cards provide a layer of protection and granular insight into your spending that traditional physical cards simply can't match. Now, let's cut to the chase and address whether Expensify delivers on this front. The short answer is a resounding yes. Expensify does indeed offer virtual cards, and they're designed to integrate seamlessly with their robust expense management platform. This isn't some add-on feature with limited capabilities. Expensify's virtual cards are a core part of their offering, specifically tied to the Expensify Visa commercial card. So, how do these virtual cards work within Expensify? It's pretty straightforward. As a domain admin, you have the power to issue an unlimited number of virtual cards to your employees. You can set them up with either a fixed limit for one-time purchases or a monthly limit for recurring expenses like those pesky software subscriptions or cloud services. This level of control is invaluable. Need a card for a specific marketing campaign? Create one with a fixed budget. Got a recurring SaaS bill? Set up a monthly virtual card that automatically renews with its assigned limit. One of the standout benefits is the enhanced security. Because you're using a unique virtual card for each transaction or vendor, your main corporate card details remain protected. If a virtual card is ever compromised, you can terminate it instantly without affecting your other spending. This significantly reduces the risk of fraud and gives you peace of mind. Beyond security, the control and visibility are phenomenal. You can name each virtual card, making it easy to identify its purpose: Google Ads, AWS, Client Dinner Project X, you name it. This personalization, combined with real-time tracking, means you always know exactly where your money is going. Employees can view their assigned virtual card details, including the remaining limit, directly within their Expensify wallet. And the best part? These virtual cards integrate with Expensify's existing features, like SmartScan for automated receipt capture and expense reporting. When an employee uses their virtual card, the transaction is automatically recorded and matched with any submitted receipts, streamlining the entire expense reconciliation process. It's about empowering your team to spend what they need, while empowering you with the tools to manage it effortlessly. Expensify's virtual cards are not just about spending, they're about smart spending. They offer a flexible, secure, and highly controllable way to manage your business's financial outflow, ensuring every dollar is accounted for and aligned with your budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.